Vocabulary quiz set 6.11. Some helpful hints. Remember to skip around, do the easy ones first. Make sure you cross off answers as you go. Listen to it being read out loud, and then you can always start with the back page if that's easier. Okay, so matching is in two parts. On the top half, we have blemish, obstacle, fatigue, despise, postpone, and nomad. A, to put off until later, to delay. B, look down on intensely, to hate. C, a mark or stain that damages the appearance. D, exhaustion from work or lack of sleep. E, people who constantly move from place to place. F, something that gets in the way, a barrier. Matching part 2, we have consist, conclude, haven, blunt, straggle, hospitality. G, a safe place, sanctuary, or retreat. H, to stray off or trail behind, to wander. I, a friendly welcome and treatment of guests. J, to be made up of, includes, or contains. K, to finish, to decide after careful thought. L, having a dull edge or point, outspoken. Part 2, fill in the blank. In our word bank, we have nomad, conclude, postpone, fatigue, haven, consist, blunt, blemish, obstacle, straggle, despise, hospitality. Number 1, the blank never stays in a city for more than 2 months at a time. 2, there was a blank in the middle of the road, which was dangerous. 3, by looking at the student's grades, we can blank that they studied. 4, at the end of the 5K run, he was overcome with blank. 5, we will blank the yard work because it is raining. 6, the wolf sanctuary is a blank for endangered animals. 7, if you blank from the group, you might get lost. 8, after I told my friend her hair looked gross, I realized that I was too blunt and said I was sorry. Oops, I just gave you the answer. Number 9, all the guests were touched by her blank and wanted to return to her hotel next year. 10, the banana had the slightest blank, so Joe would not eat it. 11, the conversation seemed to blank of many funny jokes. And 12, most people blank temperatures below 0.